Hi, we're here in Ellis Island, New York, and we're here to speak to an immigrant from Latin America and ask how the process for immigrants is here in the U.S. Hi, I'm the immigrant from Latin America, and it's easier for us to come here because they need our help in the South in the agricultural section rather than Europeans who want to search for better jobs. I would like to ask you, why is it hard for an European to come to the United States instead of someone like Latin American? Hi, we are here in Ellis Island and we're here to speak to an immigrant from Latin America. And we're here to ask him some questions about the immigration process of coming here to the United States. Hi, well, first off, it's easier for us to come here because they need our help in the South for the agricultural areas, but for someone who's European, it's more difficult for them to come here. I wonder, why is it more difficult for a European to come here than a Latin American to come here? Well, in response to your question, they have quotas to fill, and if they're filled, no more people can enter the United States. And also because many Americans are wary of Europeans entering the United States. Can you elaborate more on what you mean by that? Yes, so the Immigration Quota Act of 1921 was a halt of immigration from coming since there were too much and it was out of hand. Then the 1924 Act of Immigration was more procedures to stop the influx of immigrations from coming to the United States. Can you tell me more about the procedures that had to be made? Yes, there were literacy and health checks that had to be made by the immigrants coming to an area here like Ellis Island. What about Asian immigrants? Did they have any quotas to fill? No, not exactly. They were completely excluded from coming to the United States because it had also the Chinese Exclusion Act, and so they weren't really coming here. Can you tell me your opinion on why America decided to set these acts in place to stop immigrants from coming to the United States? Yes, so Americans felt fear of the immigrants and they felt extremely threatened by them and therefore wanted to keep them out of the United States, which is why they made these acts to help stop them from coming here. But